Or, right, more for us selfishly, maybe a CFO says, "Hey, this all looks great, except these two pieces of data are incorrect according to my Excel spreadsheet I've kept locally on my computer for the last 2.5 years, 3
Did you
years."
ask him? Did you
Right.
think is your Excel spreadsheet correct?
Right. So, but that selfishly is the best possible indication of where my team needs to be looking internally to get things where they need to be. We're now no longer saying, geez, we think there might be data quality issues everywhere because spoiler, there's data quality issues everywhere within every
Mhm.
company. Now we have a very pointed area to address to say, okay, whatever needs to be done data quality wise to fix those two line items that the CFO called out. Now we no longer have this massive equation that's unsolvable. Now we have a very small problem that needs to be fixed. And you can typically turn that around in a couple of days, a week, couple of
Mm.
weeks, right? And then you go back to that CFO and say, all right, Alexander, now tell me how this looks. And once that CFO goes, yeah, it looks the same as this local Excel spreadsheet that is probably incorrect, but I trust it. Now I see it over here. Now I'm bought in. Now I'm thinking about what else we can do. Meanwhile, we're behind the scenes putting together governance models, security models, scalability models, all that sort of stuff. But you're working with the real world business problem out of the gates, as opposed to delaying that conversation 6, 9, 12 months, right? So you're getting a much faster turn of the wheel for these stakeholders, which ultimately gets them excited